make an emotional connection. What you will learn to do on this course is to put into words what many people can't even begin to try. While the average person may be able to apply to food adjectives such as acidic, dry, or even just plain yuck, you will be able to write a whole thesis on it. Or for fragrance, most consumers will be able to say whether it's fruity, woody, or sweet. You'll be able to go a lot further. I will show you how to see taste and smelling as a time experience, as an observation with a beginning, a texture that then has an end, and also an aftertaste. It's a serious mistake to think that taste or smell is instant. It has duration. You will have the technique to explode a 10-second taste or a 3-second aroma experience into a 10-minute description of it. You'll be able to know food, flavor, and fragrance products inside out and use this knowledge for the benefit of your new product development, advertising, and marketing. Consider the figures. While 80 to 90% of all new product launches fail, using this method, me and my colleagues have seen this figure slashed only to 14%. And I'm not just talking about a handful of low-profile launches here. This technique has been used on a wide range of top food, fragrance, and drink brands. Before I explain this technique, as it differs greatly from most of the other ways of exploring a product, it might be worthwhile explaining why this technique was required. This technique started in the field of fragrance new product development, where, discovering that we could not understand what would be the next hit fragrance using orthodox market research, we decided to alter the approach to new product development. So we then realized the potential for food and drink companies to exploit this link and develop an approach to marketing and NPD that would enable them to do so. As mentioned before, the fundamental difference between this approach and that of others is that we are first and foremost concerned with emotions and its effect on taste or aroma, rather than the other way around. So you will discover the key characteristics of a product through people's emotions and put it into a language that is easily understood, not organoleptic or R&D speak. You will use your own consumers to test your products, either complete or in development stage, and their reactions will allow you to discover the emotions that are driven by certain flavor or fragrance notes. To do this, you will learn what I call a soft confrontation and a regression technique. Using consumers who are split into groups of 5 using in-depth interviews, you will then use this technique that I will share with you today. However, I warn you, it's not as simple as just ask, how does this make you feel? That will be a shambles. You will be required to go deeper than that and to dive into their past experiences and to see and understand their story, their encounter with the product, their usage of it throughout their life. Plus, you will find out what the taste or aroma characteristics are, as well as the emotional rewards. As mentioned before, you will also identify what we call need states. They're the set of practical and emotional requirements of a specific eating occasion. You will also learn a method of presenting this called the taste or aroma signature.